Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can unlock 48 megapixel photo mode on your iPhone 15 Pro Max. And to do this we have to move from the camera to the settings, because as you know the settings are not available on the iPhones. So here we have got the camera, and when you are here we have to go for the formats, and we've got the ProRAW and the resolution control that we have to turn on by tapping on the switcher. And here we are able to pick these two 48 megapixel modes. You've got the description below these options, and then when you turn it on you've got option to take the photos with the 48 megapixel mode. Okay, for some reason I guess my gallery is just buggy, because each time I just try to open it I just have this gallery photos that I download for some reason. But yeah, let's try to find the photo that we take right now. We'll be in the live photos. Yeah, there we are. So that's the photo that we take. It looks really good. Let's take a look for some details. As you can see, thanks to this 48 megapixel mode, we are able to notice more details on the photos. And also when you zoom in, you are also able to crop. That's the automatic option that allows us to crop from the photo. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.